Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today's discussions is integrations, double integrations, 0 to infinity, 0 to infinity, infinity and 0 to infinity, sine ax and cos ay divided by 1 plus y square into 1 plus x square, okay, into dx into dy. Just break down sine a plus b formula. Okay, sine a plus b means sine a cos b, sine a plus b equals to sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. So it can be written this way, and plus 0 to infinity and 0 to infinity cos ax sine a y divided by 1 plus y square into 1 plus x square. Dx into dy. Okay, I hope it is clear. It is clear for everyone. Now 0 to infinity. Now apply symmetry this portion, and if you check that this portion and this portion both are equal because cos ax cos y, so apply symmetry. So we get 2 into 0 to infinity into 0 to infinity sine ax cos ay 1 plus x square dx into d. So friends, I can write this portion, this equation is psi a. So psi a equals to this value is psi a 2 into, okay, I can write this equation equal can be written as psi a. Okay, psi a can be written 0 to infinity and sine ax divided by 1 plus x square into 0 to infinity cos ay divided by 1 plus y square dx dy into dx. This portion is as a j and this portion is as a I. So friends, how can I find out I? I equals to 0 to infinity sine ax divided by 1 plus x square dx. So it can be written as limit b tends to 0, 0 to infinity infinity sine ax e to the power minus bx divided by 1 plus x square into dx. So friends, we know that 1 plus 1 by x square equal to 0 to infinity e to the power minus t cos xt dt. So I can apply this in here. So I get limit b tends to 0, 0 to infinity sine ax e to the power bx and 0 to infinity e to the power minus t cos xt into dt into dx. Okay, I can write this way. Now it can be written as limit b tends to 0, 0 half into 0 to infinity into 0 to infinity e to the power minus bx e to the power minus t sine ax 2 sine cos xt into dt into dx. Just multiply both sides again. So limit b tends to 0 half, I apply the formula 2 sine a into cos b. So 0 to infinity, 0 to infinity e to the power minus bx and e to the power minus t, it can be written as sine z plus t x, sorry, not z plus t, a plus t x, a plus t and plus sine a minus t dx into dt. So limit b tends to 0 and I can apply simple e to the power minus bx, just remove this in here and multiply in both sides. So just multiply in here e to the power minus bx and e to the power, just multiply e to the power minus bx. Very simple. So half into 0 to infinity and 0 to infinity, and this portion is Laplace transformation of this. So it can be written as 0 to infinity. I just remove this 0 to infinity minus t. Okay, e to the power minus t I can write because I do not operate this portion. I operate in here. So we get a plus t divided by sine case. So a plus t divided by b square plus a plus t whole square, and another is plus a minus t b square a plus t whole square. So this is the Laplace, simple Laplace transformation space, and in here I can write dt dt. Now b tends to 0. Whatever I get, b tends to 0, so equals to half into 0 to infinity e to the power minus t a plus t, okay, and b is equal to 0, b is equal to 0, so it can be written as 1 by a plus t, and similarly in here it is not minus plus 1 by a minus t dt. So e to the power minus t 1 by t, so I can write this equation into this way, that half and a plus t is equal to u. So if I take a plus t is equal to u, so I get that 0 infinity a to infinity, infinity is same, and it is e to the power a and e to the power minus u divided by u du, and similarly minus half into e to the power minus a, just a minus t is equal to take v, so e to the power minus a, so I get minus a to infinity e to the power minus v divided by v dv. So friends, whatever I get 1 by 2 e to the power minus a, so a plus t e to the power minus a, okay, e to the power minus a, and it is e to the power minus, this function can be written as e to the power minus a e i eij minus e to the power z ei minus, okay, I hope it is clear. It is clear, very very. E to the power z, sorry, not e to the power a, e to the power minus, sorry, it is not z, I have written wrong. It is e to the power ei eia and ei minus. So this is the, and half, this is the e to the power a and e to the power minus a, okay, no problem. So next is j. How can I find out j? J equals to lz inverse lz cos, in here in the questions you see that it is cos ay, okay. So cos ay divided by 1 plus y square dy. Please write everything, because it is not, if you think it is entertainment video, no, it is not, it is not entertainment video. You have to write, then you can solve it. So it is cos ay divided by 1 plus y square. You see this j portion, I have to find out how much this value. So friends, I have already solved this kind of integration in my channel, which is based on match identity. You will check. I will give it in my descriptions. Then you can find out. So it is the match identity. This is the very simple. So match identity wise, it is double Laplace. So if I apply Laplace inverse at first Laplace, so what I get? I get 0 to infinity 1 plus y square, 0 to infinity cos zy e to the power minus sz dz dy. So friends, just applying Laplace transformation. So what I get? So friends, what I get? I get this value is very simple way that L inverse z, and this value is, this is not a y, sorry, it is a y, and this is a, and it is a, sorry, it is L a inverse, L a inverse and L a, so not z, okay, L a inverse. So what I get? I get 0 to infinity 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 is divided by 1 plus y square into s square plus s square plus y square. Okay friends, this is called, this is my dy. So this can be written as L inverse a, and a is divided by s square minus 1. So it can be break into this way, that 1 divided by 1 plus minus 1 divided by s square plus y square dy. So L inverse a is equal to a is divided by s square minus 1, and this is the pi by 2 minus pi by 2s, and this value equals to pi by 2 L a inverse 1 by s plus 1 is equal to pi by 2 e to the power minus a. So friends, I have already proved this type of integration in my video. So my psi z value, my psi a value equals to pi by 2 e to the power minus 2 a e I a minus e I minus a. So friends, what is my answer? Pi by 2 e to the power minus 2z e I z So it can be written ei z minus ei minus, sorry, it is 2a, it can be written as 2a, not z, 2a ei a. Okay, it is the minus a.